We are really going through a, once in a century change, what we commonly refer to as the global industrial renaissance.
Huge amount of capital investment needed in energy network, generation, and also in fiber and other types of digital infrastructure, really to take the economy into the modern age.
We have people who focus on power, transportation, and communications and data. We are constantly working with companies, with other financial sponsors, with banks, to really figure out what are the opportunities in the market and where can Apollo be most useful.
We're not only a scalable player in financing, but we also have the benefit of long duration capital, which is really important when you're looking at a 20, 30-year investment horizon.
When we think about infrastructure, by definition, these are long duration assets. What better match in terms of capital provision than long dated capital to really finance and fund these needs?
I think the best way for Apollo to help companies is to really be a source of capital, whether it's on the credit side, whether it's on the private equity side, whether it's somewhere between. And
we're able to bring the right solution to the problem instead of trying to fit something within a narrow mandate. We can do everything from investment grade debt to high yield, sub-investment grade lending, mezzanine holdco, preferred equity, control oriented equity, and even private equity in our climate equity strategy.
In 2022, we set a target of deploying $50 billion by the end of 2027 into energy transition assets. We have exceeded that goal, and we're well on our way to meeting our next target of $100 billion by the end of 2030.
Massive investment requires all sorts of capital. The capital we provide in the infrastructure and energy group at Apollo is flexible. We can invest across the capital structure.
We can bring all of the expertise across industries. A lot of times a company will come to us and know they need money for something. They may think they want a loan. They may think they need an equity investor. We can look at the problem and really design something bespoke for them.
Energy demand is growing at the fastest rate for 30 years, and that's obviously closely connected to the growth in the digital economy.
We think that the entire transition is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to provide that capital, where we have deep expertise, flexible capital, and a backdated track record, and that's pretty powerful.